Hello again to everyone. Welcome to another part of building the traveling plan. In this part, we'll build the lodging tab. I've already named it. I've added the background. I've outlined the table. I've included the borders and the format of the cells. I don't want you to see me going through these things over and over again, so I'll just in the videos I'll just include and show you how to do the new stuff for our tool, because these tables you will have to build in each tab, and it's basically the same thing over and over again. So what information do we include here? The information about where we will stay in our vacation. So I'll just name it lodging. I'll have, we need a date of reservation. Okay, and then the name, of course. The address, the phone number. Okay, check-in date. Control C, Control V. We'll need this. Check out date. Okay, and price. I'll just include a random price here. Let's say $300. I won't include anything in these cells. This is just as an example, and I included only the price because we will use it in a future video. Okay, but let's add a color to the tab, and we're done with the lodging information. I included only this. You can include anything you want more. You can add more numbers and more rows here. Just right click, insert. You have another row with further information you may want to see. Okay, but I don't want to stop here. I want to show you in this video how to build the design of each tables, of each tabs. Excuse me. So I'll show you a few tricks that Excel can do, which can make your design work very simple if you're not a professional designer. So let's get started. So I want to include a picture. Again, insert, ribbon, picture. I will include a picture from my little library here. I think all the pictures I have here are from Freepik, the site I've mentioned in my introduction video. They have great resources for free. Okay, I'll enlarge this a bit and make this window a little smaller to see in comparison to the table how much is the picture, how big is the picture. Okay, and okay, I have a lot of information here, a lot of elements. I just want the central part, this mountain and scenery area, and in the format, to select this, to build the design, there's a few steps, and the first step is to remove background. Okay, it highlighted the picture, made it this purple, and you have a box here to select whatever you want. So I'll drag it and select only this central element here. Okay. Okay, I have it selected, but everything that is in purple, it's not selected. It will not, if I keep changes. So select. Look at these two trees and clouds here. It doesn't show them. So again, Select remove background. I want them also. I want them in my selection. To check them, to have them, I'll use these uh, buttons here. So this mark areas to keep, just select it and select areas you want to keep. So as you can see, when I click an element, I want to also have the trunk of the tree. Okay, it changes the color. Actually, it gives me the real color of the element. And I'll choose also the clouds. Okay, and now if for example, I want to have yeah, the birds. You will see that if you put here, yeah, if you not everything is selected. Actually, this background color, I don't need it. I just need the element. But I want to show you this. If you add some areas you want to keep, you can see that other areas might be deselected. No problem here. You can add multiple pluses on a certain element just to make sure it selects. And you can also remove some elements you don't want in the in the selection. Apparently this doesn't want to deselect. Okay, but I want it and I want that. Okay, and let's delete these marks. Okay, I don't need them. Okay, I have all the elements selected and I just press keep changes. Okay, and that's it. I have only the elements that I needed. But now there's where I have the whole picture somehow selected, but without the background, and I want to crop it. I'm sure you've used this tool before, maybe in Paint. And I'll make it. I'll crop it to match the selection of the element. Okay. I don't want to cut the clouds. Okay, and click again crop, and there you have it. You can play with this element, you can rotate it, you can move it wherever you want. Okay, up. Okay, that's it. Now you can also make it larger. Okay, let's use it like this, for example. And you can do this with every picture you have, but it works best with this kind of elements. And I recommend using Freepik, but there are other resources out there. So just use whatever you want. Do this. You can do this for everything you build in Excel. So that's it. Thank you and see you in the next video.